Did you know?
Did you know?
Did you know?
Did you know that nearly 1 in 5 Americans attended public school last year?
That's more than 60 million people.
Our nation's schools employ over 3 million teachers and almost as many education support personnel.
These individuals are the reason why we celebrate American Education Week.
This week gives Americans a chance to say thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
To those individuals in the classrooms who are working so hard to give our children a quality education.
Our public schools, teachers, and students deserve recognition.
For their amazing accomplishments.
This week, show thanks to those who make public schools
Great for every child.
Public schools are a basic right and our community's responsibility.
Let's show our support
Today and every day.